Hi boys and girls, I'm back with another letter. And today we're on the letter D. D is for dolphin breath. Breathe in as you lift your arms up high and breathe out as you imagine diving into the ocean like a dolphin. Okay, so this breathing technique actually will do a lot better if we stand up. So let's all stand up together. So breathing in, we lift our arms high, and breathing out, we dive into the ocean. Breathing in, we lift our arms high. Breathing out, dive into the ocean. Okay, let's do 3 more just like that. Breathing in. Fantastic job, boys and girls. I'll see you again soon for the letter E. Bye.